don't know why I'm so excited right now. It's been so long since I filmed because I went on vacation. And if you know what happened on my last year's vacation, history repeated itself. And while I was on vacation, I also hit 400,000 subscribers. And that truly means a lot to me because I've been with you guys. You guys have been with me since I was a kid. It's really hard to comprehend, but I can't thank you enough. I love you guys so much. I really do. And to celebrate that, I had an idea. There's 400,000 of you, and there's only one of me. When push comes to shove, I'm gonna need a little help. So I thought, what better way to clone myself? I am planning on cloning myself using cake, mainly because Spencer Shay has oddly had a huge impact on me. I guess I just have daddy issues. So I went out and I bought the one thing I could afford, and it was this chicken wire. So I'm planning on sculpting my body, my skinny little body, hence why I only got 25 feet. Now, when I purchased this chicken wire, the lady asked me, she was like, so what are you using this for? And I didn't tell her what I was using it for. Like, I just said I'm a liar. I was like, oh yeah, I'm building a chicken coop. My older siblings, when I was younger, had chickens and they were unfortunately eaten by my evolutionary counterparts. I'm just assuming that I evolved from some type of raccoon or rodent. This is my safe place. This is when I feel the safest. That's kind of weird. I hope you feel safe as well. Speaking about safety, oh my gosh, I kind of look, I'm serving you Jeffrey Dahmer vibes, but I do have these gloves, you know, just in case the chicken wire wants to get a little wiry with me, you know what I mean? I can just, I know I just spoke about how this was like our safe place, but like it can get pretty tumultuous from time to time. Okay, I'm like really actually bleeding. Why is it spicy? You know, I was born and raised in a chicken coop. Like, we didn't have Band-Aids, so I've already ran into a problem. I don't know how to open it. Is it like a can? Do I open it from the top? Ah! I don't work for SpaceX, like, I'm not going to Mars anytime. I hadn't even gotten to the chicken wire part, and I'm already confused. I'm gonna save this for later when I don't know, need to change the carburetor on a tractor. I don't know. For all you city girls out there who haven't seen chicken wire, this chicken wire, oh my gosh, I feel like a chicken. What is this, like an episode of like Blue's Clues? Like, I'm like, what noise does a chicken make? Ow! I almost, ow! POV, I'm your dad telling you you're grounded. You're grounded. I don't know, I just feel like a dad wearing these. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Okay, how long can my body run off of K-pop and nicotine? Like, I give it like 12 more days. Yeah, now I'm kind of left at a standstill. I'm kind of like, okay girl, so what was I planning to do again? Oh, sculpt my body out of chicken wire? I just don't think that's gonna happen. While I was off camera, I quickly built the first half of my leg. I'm actually quite satisfied with how this came out. Boo goo baga, I don't know what to say. So it's kind of hard for me to talk regardless, so it's really hard to talk and do something at the same time. I feel like this is a thigh-high boot Grimes would wear. I think I'm the gayest person ever in recorded history to hold chicken wire, besides your dad. Uh-oh, they're tangled, uh-oh. Don't you hate it when your chicken wire gets tangled? Yeah, I don't think anybody can really relate to that. Except for like Ronald Reagan. I'm like, what is the point of this? And I start crying. Okay, that's actually not funny because like, okay, why do I feel like a kid in like the 1840s? Just screwing around with his father's chicken wire. Oh my god, what is that? Old Yeller! I almost just said, wait, this is so confusing. I'm gonna try to give my cake clone some cake. Every day, all day. If you are confused, don't worry, me too. Can you kind of see? You can kind of see. Can you kind of see? 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 That relatable moment when you just start speaking English. Baby echo goo goo. When you're so lonely, you just have to take matters into your own hands and start building your own reality. Even if it's out of chicken wire. Can you guys kind of see now like what I was going for? Like this is like my bottom half of like my asshole. Okay, I really need to put on my gloves. Like, I'm starting to look like Hannah Baker over here. Guys, when you have nobody to laugh at your own jokes, like I said, okay, I'm gonna have to figure out how to make this thing laugh so I don't have to laugh at my own jokes. I never even watched 13 Reasons Why. And I have like a million reasons why. Where do you think you're going? Ah! Guys, can you kind of see my vision now? Like, oh my gosh! Like, I kind of did it! This looks like a spacesuit. I'm attempting to give myself some cake right now. I would give you like 8 Robux if you wanted to wear these. I'm sorry, but I don't have any real money anymore. I spent all of it on Robux. And chicken wire. Most people are like, I have no inner dialogue. I'm like, I have too much. If you want some of mine. I mean, like I said, who's gonna keep me company? Me. Hence why I'm making myself out of cake. I guess this is just my outcry of being lonely. I'm incredibly lonely. I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and act like I don't actually cry about it. Comment down below what names you would like to give our new cake friend. See, she's got some cake. She's got a little bit of cake on her, like something's happening. Like her diaper is full of something. So is mine. Yeah, I'm like dripping in blood. I'm like, you guys can see it, right? No, but like, can you guys see it though? I'm more comfortable with you guys than I am with my own family. But anyways, look at my chicken legs. They call me Stacy. I know nobody cares, but can y'all cancel me so I can finally feel an emotion other than... Whatever, that was really stupid. I sound like Belle Delphine over here with all these cries for help. I literally just crafted chain male. What about chain female? That's sexist. That was a joke, so if any conservatives are watching, or if any liberals are watching, guys, comment down below what your political party is. Where do you think you're going? Me to the chickens in my chicken coop. This is like the hardest thing I've ever had to do. Ow! Where did that even come from? No wonder why these chickens are so obedient. Guys, free the chickens 2020. I know it looks like I splashed an invisible potion, but I have completed the legs and torso part of my body. Oh my god, I just realized I'm going to have to dispose of what looks like a human body. Wait, she's actually walking. I feel like Frankenstein. It's exactly my height. All I need to do is add arms and a head. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Behind me is the completed body. It's terrifying, it's scary, but it's kind of settling at the same time because it's nice to have company. I'm kind of hesitant to show you because this is weird, okay? We're about to have a moment together, so let's experience this. Here is the completed body. Oh, wait, this is actually really weird. I feel like I'm breaking the simulation. It really feels like I'm cuddling with somebody. I'm not even joking. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Do you have a six-pack? Have you been working out? Oh my god. Oh my god, can you chill? I made a biohuman. So, it is the next day, and today is the day that is today. Today, today we are officially going to turn this into cake. And you're like, Luke, what about this is cake? There's no cake involved. I got you. That is me, and I am the cake. I completed him, I covered him in duct tape so I would have, you know, some room to work with the icing. I'm gonna give him some shorts, some skin, a face, some hair. Well, what little hair I have, because he is gonna be a clone of me. He doesn't really speak much, but when he does, it's fairly profound. Hey bro, what was that for? He did that. I'm just winging it. I don't know if you can tell, I'm just winging it. This is made out of chicken wire and duct tape. In every single one of my videos, I am wearing black running shorts. And it's because I'm on the spectrum and I don't like things touching my legs. So I'm planning on giving him some black running shorts, a pink shirt. Like I said, it's gonna be, we're gonna go for it. This is like actually really disgusting. I finished the shorts and it went very smoothly. I mean, not too smoothly, like literally. But I do got that cheap birthday cake taste. I don't wanna row the boat. I just wanna start using my hands. But I know that's not the right thing to do. Maybe because it's not sanitary. But the only person that's gonna be eating this is your dad. Remember back in like 2014 when Nash Greer all told us to shave our pussies? I don't even have one and I shaved it. I just wanted it to be bald for him. It's been a little while since you've last seen us and I have finished his pants, legs, and arms. I'm very happy with how it turned out, but there is one problem. Like I said, he's hanging on by a thread and the frosting is adding a bit of weight to it. The next part is to move on to the shirt. Oh my gosh, what if I did a mukbang of me eating myself? Would this be sufficient enough for cannibals? Or is this technically not even cannibal because it's not even a person? Am I a cannibal? No, I'm just really bored. Can't believe my mom really thought I was gonna grow up and become a doctor. I'm technically learning a little bit about anatomy. I think he's happy. Are you happy?
I need a bad bleep.
You know things are going downhill when YouTubers start talking to inanimate objects. I mean, that's my whole job, talking to an inanimate object. I'm pretty good at it.
What is this?
I kind of feel like when I stand like this, I feel a presence behind me, and that's how I know it worked. This is that YouTuber's job, you know what I mean? Because some YouTubers do crazy stuff, like do Minecraft, they do a lot of stuff, and I'm like, wow, that's their job, that's kind of crazy. How do they explain that to other people, you know what I mean? And then I remember, I'm like, oh, how do I explain this? I really don't have much of an identity myself. I feel like I should go into an H&M and replace one of the mannequins with this and see if anybody notices. Say, Luke, start wearing. I think Mr. B should do a video where he buys a money printing machine and prints money for us. I think that would be genius. Wait, why can't you just do that? Oh, that's fraud. Has anybody ever had a good birthday? I receive a lot of comments from very many people always asking me like, Luke, I can't imagine you functioning in the real life. And I'm like, me neither. We're thinking the same thing. Boom, clap, I'm in me mom's car. I do tend to hang out with older people. Not like cool older people. I mean like my mom. Boom, clap, I'm in me mom's car. This is something Kat Valentine would do in an episode of Victorious. I feel like I'm really making her proud. I will always find Victorious funny. I will never not. And the day I do, kill me. But you know, most people need a degree to do what they love. I don't need a degree to do this. All I need is an email and password. So now I'm going to complete his hair and face, or should I say my face. But we have to be kind of quick because this thing has gained a lot of weight because of the icing. She's packed on the pounds and now it's starting to slant a little bit. So I'm gonna be really quick with this. First thought I could add the Princess Peach yellow hair. Oh my gosh, I feel like, hello, my name's Anne Ridden with How to Cook That. I've received a lot of comments about my hairline, so I'll make sure to do my receding hairline justice, even though all she has ever done is wrong me. I do kind of have a widow's peak, which some of y'all have clogged. It looks like McDonald's. Oh, perfect! Just talk to my bald spot while I'm gone. So I have finally finished this long and tumultuous project. I'm about to show you the final results, and before I do, just know I tried my best, okay?
What's up, y'all? It's Nicki Minaj.
I'm not let down. This is fully what I imagined. This is actually exactly what I imagined. I'm kind of asking myself if I should have dreamed bigger, but I'm actually very satisfied with how this turned out. I feel like I have a friend. I don't know. Are we friends? I feel like he's enjoying it. Wait, are you enjoying it? I can't tell if he's enjoying it or if he's just like,
When you realize that you had school.
I don't know if I want to eat him. I'm definitely gonna have to get a tetanus shot after filming this video because of that chicken wire. I'm very satisfied with how this turned out. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know if I want to eat him. I don't know if I want to kill him. I don't know if I want to keep him. I guess eating him would classify as killing him. This is kind of weird. This is really kind of weird. Okay, this is actually really just weird. I kind of just want to smack him up against the head. You know what I mean? I just want to do some damage, but at the same time, I'm like, no, like, I kind of want to be my own friend. And that was the purpose of this video. Oh my god! Oh my god, hey! What's up? he has thoughts and feelings. He probably doesn't. But if he does, I don't want him to feel the wrath of my roundhouse kick, even though I've never done a roundhouse kick. I'm sorry I'm talking about roundhouse kick. I should be talking about you. I hope he's happy to be here. I just want him to know you can stay as long as you need to until you can get your feet off the ground. Wham! See, that's what I was talking about, bitch. What the? Say something to a bitch. I've never had a friend over. You're my first friend. Aww. I'm really having a moment with you right now. I want everybody to know I'm happy.